Hello friends, welcome to Read with Rivas. Today we will be going over the letter J. Can you say the letter J with me? J. Very good job. The letter J makes the sound J. Go ahead and try. J. All by yourself. Did you notice how your mouth was moving? Your lips were round, your tongue was in the air, and your teeth were almost touching as a burst of sound came out of your mouth. J. Go ahead and try it one more time. Very good job. You can find the sound of the letter J at the beginning of words like the word jump. Go ahead and repeat. Very good job. The word jam. Go ahead and repeat. And the word jet. Go ahead and repeat. Very good job. Remember to get that J sound, round your lips, your tongue is in the air, and your teeth are almost touching as you let a burst of sound come out. J. Very good job. See you at letter K.